Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your destination for premium car reviews, detailed specifications, and expert insights into some of the finest vehicles on the road. Today, we're diving into the Chevrolet C4, a classic American sports car that made a bold statement during its time and continues to be a favorite among enthusiasts for its unique blend of performance, style, and innovation. The Chevrolet C4, part of the Corvette lineup, was produced from 1984 to 1996 and marked a significant step forward in terms of design and technology from its predecessor, the C3. The C4 came with a sleeker, more aerodynamic body and introduced a completely redesigned chassis that delivered improved handling and road grip. It was a true performance machine built for drivers who wanted a serious sports car experience. Under the hood, the C4 offered a range of V8 engines throughout its production run. Early models were equipped with the L83 and L98 engines, while later versions featured the LT1 and the LT4, with horsepower ratings that evolved significantly over time. The introduction of the ZR1 variant in the early 90s took things even further, boasting a Lotus-designed 5.7 LLT5 engine capable of pushing over 375 horsepower. That version cemented the C4's reputation as a high-performance icon, capable of competing with some of the best sports cars from around the world. Inside the cabin, the C4 showcased a futuristic and driver-focused interior. Early models included a digital dashboard, which was considered cutting-edge in the 80s, though it was later replaced with a more traditional analog layout in the 90s to appeal to broader tastes. The seating was low-slung and supportive, providing an immersive feel for the driver and passenger. Though some criticized the interior quality and ergonomics, it was clear that the C4 prioritized the driving experience above all else. In terms of features, the C4 was ahead of its time with technologies like anti-lock brakes, traction control, and an optional adjustable suspension system in later years. These advancements helped deliver not only speed but also control and safety. The handling was responsive and tight, especially in the Z51 Performance Package models that featured upgraded suspension components and wider tires. The C4 also underwent several styling changes over its lifespan. While the core shape remained intact, updates to the front and rear fascia, wheels, and trim pieces helped keep the car fresh and modern throughout the 80s and 90s. The convertible model, reintroduced in 1986 after a decade-long hiatus, brought added appeal for open-top motoring fans. This Corvette was not just about straight-line speed. Thanks to its lightweight construction and improved weight distribution, it handled corners with precision and delivered an engaging experience on winding roads. Enthusiasts appreciated its balance and road feel, making it a favorite on both the street and the track. Though often overshadowed by newer Corvette generations, the C4 remains an important chapter in Chevrolet's performance history. It was a car that pushed boundaries and brought new technologies to the forefront, all while delivering that unmistakable Corvette character. Whether you're looking at it for its nostalgic charm, performance capabilities, or collector appeal, the C4 has earned its place in automotive history. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more detailed content on luxury and performance cars, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to SNAutoLuxury for more videos coming soon.